Ananya was 19, living in a small town in Bihar. No study abroad consultants, no fancy coaching classes, and definitely no education loan. But today, she is studying fashion designing in Milan, one of the world's fashion capitals. And guess what? She is doing it almost free. No, this isn't one of those you must be a genius kind of stories. She cracked the system using a secret most students don't know: Italy's income-based education and government scholarships. Hello and welcome to Study HQ. In this video, I am giving you everything you need to know about studying in Italy for free in 2025, even if you are from a middle or low income class family. We'll be talking about universities, tuition fees, scholarships, deadlines, visas, cost of living, documents, all of it. So if you are a parent or a student wondering, can we really afford an education abroad? Stick with me till the end. Let me start with why Italy should be on your radar. We are talking about a country that gave the world the oldest university in continuous operation, the University of Bologna, founded in 1088. That's nearly 1,000 years of educational experience. Plus, Italian universities consistently rank among the top in Europe for programs like engineering, architecture, fashion, business, and the arts. Now, let's discuss the elephant in the room. Is education really free in Italy? Well, to be honest, it depends on your situation. But for most international students, it could be really free or extremely affordable. Italian public universities charge an administrative fee that ranges from 150 to 4,000 euros per year. But here's the game changer. If your family income is below a certain threshold, you could get these fees completely waived off through the IELTS system. We'll talk about that in a minute. Now, private universities are more expensive, ranging from 10,000 to 20,000 euros per year. However, they often offer substantial scholarships that can cover most or all costs. The ISEE is Italy's financial assessment system. Think of it as Italy's way of determining if you qualify for the financial aid. If your family's annual income is below approximately 13,000 euros, you can study completely free at public universities. Between 13,000 and 30,000 euros, you will pay a reduced fee on a sliding scale. To apply for ISEE, you will need to provide income documentation from your home country. It should be translated into Italian and authenticated by the Italian consulate. Yes, it's a lot of paperwork, but it's totally worth it for the potentially free education. Each Italian region offers a scholarship called the DSU. These not just cover tuition but also accommodation and living expenses. For example, Lazio region offers up to 5,000 euros annually, while Lombardy offers even more generous packages. University-specific scholarships. Top universities like Bocconi, University of Bologna and others offers merit-based scholarships to international students, some of which cover up to 100% tuition plus accommodation fees. Government scholarships. The Italian government offers multiple scholarships through the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for specific countries and specific programs. These are highly competitive but extremely generous. Education might be free, but you still need to live, right? Here's what you can expect monthly. Northern Italy, around 800 to 1200 euros. Central Italy, 700 to 1000 euros. And Southern Italy, around 500 to 800 euros. This includes accommodation, food, transport, and some entertainment. Italian student housing is often subsidized, bringing the costs down significantly. Let me take you through a simplified application timeline. December to February, research programs and prepare your documents. March to May, submit your applications. June to July, entrance exams and interviews. August to September, check your enrollment and visa applications. You will typically need your high school diploma or bachelor's degree, transcripts, language certificates, passports, and a statement of purpose. Each university has specific requirements, so check their websites carefully. Talking about visa, non-EU students need a student visa. This process takes around 2 to 8 weeks and you will need a proof of accommodation, financial resources, and health insurance. The good news? Student visas allow part-time work for up to 20 hours per week. Now let's quickly address some common concerns. Will my degree be recognized internationally? Absolutely. Italian degrees are part of the Bologna process, meaning they are recognized all across Europe and widely accepted globally. What about the language barrier in daily life? Well, in major cities, you will find English-speaking communities and services. Plus, Italians are generally very patient and helpful with foreigners learning a new language. Can I work while studying? Well, yes, but listen to this carefully. EU students can work for unlimited hours. Non-EU students can work for up to 20 hours per week during your classes and full-time during holidays. What about after graduation? Italy offers a 1-year post-graduation visa for job searching. With skills in Italian and English, you can easily find job opportunities across Europe. Take a screenshot of these top universities in Italy for international students. Beyond free education, you are getting an EU residence that allows travel across 27 countries, access to incredible internship opportunities in fashion, automotive, and tech, networking with students from 180 plus countries, cultural immersion in art, history, and cuisine, a strategic location for exploring Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Okay, so here's what you should do now. Start researching the program offerings by different universities while also checking out the individual university websites. Begin learning Italian through free online resources and get your documents ready for official translation. Additionally, connect with current international students on social media platforms to gain valuable insights on application processes and life in Italy. So there you have it, your complete roadmap to free education in Italy. The opportunities are real, the process is manageable, and the experience life-changing. But here's the thing, the best programs and scholarships fill up fast. So don't wait. If this video opened your eyes to possibilities you didn't know existed, smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell icon because I'm constantly sharing opportunities like this for ambitious students worldwide. Drop a comment below telling me which Italian university caught your attention. I read every single one of them and often feature viewers' questions in our videos. Ciao for now and see you in the next video.